Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a usable reference and getting essential tools out of the way. Lay the image flat or pinned and create a light grid to lock proportions. Next, mark the major masses, head, ribcage, pelvis, and block them with simple shapes so you can see relationships. Once done, draw the main axis lines for tilt and balance, and make quick measurements using a pencil or digital ruler to capture scale before refining. Now begin the block-in phase. Translate the reference into basic geometry to capture volume and pose, placing joints where the reference indicates and aligning limb axes. Make short corrective passes. Compare silhouette and key intersections often to catch errors early. While you refine, focus on how each form connects. That continuity explains motion and weight. Make sure to preserve proportional relationships. Finish by refining shapes into readable anatomy and adding secondary details while respecting the forms you built earlier. Use light and shadow to reinforce planes. Once done, step back and compare overall gesture, perspective, and silhouette to the reference, making small adjustments rather than large rewrites. If things look off, don't guess. Return to your grid and remeasure critical anchors, correct the dominant axes, and iterate until proportion and rhythm match the reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.